Hello, I am Dr. Anupama Shekhawat, Associate Professor at Maheshwari Girls PG College. Today, I would like to discuss presentation skills which everyone. Presentation gives a threatening, whenever somebody says that I have to give presentation, even if the person is very well expert, the legs shiver, the throat, they just have the constrained feeling. So how to avoid this? How can we become a very wonderful presentators? Presentation skills can make or mar your career. And nowadays are the days of presentation. Whether you are giving an interview presentation or you are giving a podium presentation plays a very important role. It also gives a distinct personal style to you, and there are many instances when you become a good presentator, the students, the listeners, the audience will definitely like to listen to you. So, how to become wonderful presenters? Well, there are two aspects of it. One, pre presentation, second, presentation. Nowadays, a third more aspect has been added to it, and that is the post presentation. So, let me discuss all these three with you. The first one, pre presentation. First of all, be very focused. You should know the demography of your audience. That means you must know that the kind of audience they are, whether you would be addressing the urban audience or you would be addressing the rural audience. What is their education standard? This way, you must first prepare yourself accordingly. Jot down the notes. Write something. Don't forget the cue cards, because even if you are giving and you are a wonderful presenter, there are instances, there may be chances that you may forget some or the other points. So it is very wonderful, it would be very wonderful indeed if you keep on jotting some of the points, and these points can be noted in the form of cue cards. After gathering the material together, try to practice your presentation before mirror. Yes, my friends, the moment you practice your presentation before mirror, you will know that at what point of time you have to shrug the shoulders, you raise your eyebrows, put a smile and give the straight presentation. Read everything and anything about the subject, because nowadays the Google is with everyone and the audience have become very smart and talented. So we must have every of the information on which we are speaking in front of the audience. Prepare your dress well. Don't be overdressed, don't be underdressed. The gaudy jewelry must be kept at bar. Present yourself with confidence, not with the accessories. So it is generally said that when you go in front of the audience, you must clad yourself in the cloak of knowledge. This is a very wonderful saying. Another important aspect is be ready with your plan B. Some people plan to give and prefer to give presentation in the form of oral presentation without any aid of any electronic aid like PowerPoint presentation, OHP, overhead projectors, things like that. And some are like me, they give the presentation without any aid. So even if you are giving the presentation with aid, without aid, be prepared, because with the plan B, say suppose if the plan A goes worse, then you must be ready with the plan B, so that you do not stammer and the audience take you to be a very confident presenter. During the presentation, while coming up for the presentation, don't forget to go for a glass of water. Have an eye contact with the audience. If there's a huge gathering of the audience, try to have at least one eye contact with everyone. Giving eye contact will make you connected to your audience. They will be pulled into what you are planning and intending to say to them. Be very confident. Break the monotony by citing and giving some anecdotes. Anecdotes are small story type references to your talking terms or to your talking topic. Don't make them bore. Be very cheerful yourself. Don't overstrain yourself. And try to take the podium and the floor under the control. Don't be stiff at one place and give your presentation. Try to move about from one juncture to another juncture, but never give your back to the audience. You always must face the audience. Some presenters are in habit of turning their backs to the audience. This doesn't look good. So try to face the audience with a cheerful smile. The smile shows that we are confident of what we are intending and planning to say. After the presentation, don't forget to give the handouts and the feedbacks. This would also complete the chain of communication, and you would know whether your audience are not having the knowledge of whatever you have given them in the session, whatever you have taught them in the session. And always keep a space so that the audience can connect back to you. Well, this was a small gist on how presentations can be carried on. My dear friends, Maheshwari Girls PG College often gives similar sessions in the college. You can be a part of the college to have such guided sessions so that you can become very wonderful presenters. I will keep on giving you some small minutes form session of similar method to make you wonderful presenter. My next session would be on the dress code during the presentation. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.